OnlineConvert is a widely used online platform designed to make file conversion simple and convenient. From documents and images to audio and video files, it supports a broad range of formats, making it a versatile choice for various conversion needs. When you arrive at the homepage, the interface is straightforward and easy to navigate. You can either drag and drop files directly or click to upload them. The website offers multiple conversion options, including converting PDFs to Word, JPGs to PNGs, videos to MP4s, and much more. Each conversion type has its dedicated section, making it easy to find exactly what you need. The process itself is usually quick, though it may depend on your file size and internet speed. What's great about OnlineConvert is the range of supported file formats. It's genuinely impressive how many types of conversions you can perform here. The site even allows you to tweak settings for some conversions, like adjusting image quality or resolution. However, some of the more advanced customization options are limited unless you have a premium subscription. One downside is that the free version comes with certain restrictions, including slower processing speeds and file size limitations. Additionally, while the interface is simple, it does feel a bit outdated, and the ads can be somewhat intrusive during usage. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Doka Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another point to consider is privacy. While the site claims to delete files after processing, it's always a good idea to be cautious when uploading sensitive documents. The platform works well for general-purpose conversions, but if you require high-quality results or advanced editing features, you might need to upgrade to a paid plan. Overall, OnlineConvert does what it promises. It offers a simple and effective way to convert various file formats online. However, if you need more customization options, speed, or the ability to process larger files, the premium version may be worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and guides.